Okay, now that we have the tools needed, next thing is to log into the AWS Management Console by going into the the URL aws.amazon.com. Once you're in, to create the server, I click on Launch Virtual Machine. In here, we have the option of the Ubuntu server, the free tier eligible one. So I'll select that. And in this page, as mentioned, we're not going to change anything. We will just review and launch. At this point, if we look at all this information, we'll just leave it as it is and then click on launch. This is the section where we have to, instead of using an existing pair, we will create a new pair, create a new key pair. I will, give a name to the key. In this case, I'll just say star and download the key pair. I will save it to a location, which is in the download section of it. User Satish download star.pem, which will be used later on. Then I'll launch the instance. Next step is to click on the view instance to see the instance that we just created. So the initialization is in progress. At this point, we can look at the IP address, that is 3.16.169.36. This will be needed later on to to connect to this particular server. So after a while, the instance changed to running. This was, it was initializing. Now it's running. Another thing that we need to check is the inbound rule, that if you're allowed to connect. So if I click on this, it says a port 22, which is needed for PuTTY to connect to the server. So it's good that it is open. We don't need to do anything on this side. Now next thing is generate the private key, and then using PuTTY connect to the server and execute all the commands.